Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see digital image processing NPTEL assignment for week 4. Week 4 assignment 4. For our first question, answer will be option C, that is 35.14. Question second, answer will be again option C, that is 9.42. Question third, for an image, the type of the interpolation where the intensity of the four neighboring pixels is used to obtain intensity a new location is called. Answer will be option A, bilinear interpolation. Question fourth, which of the following p-spine is not symmetric and hardly used? Answer will be option C, linear. Question fifth, answer will be option D, that is 3.00. Question sixth, answer will be option B, that is constant interpolation. Question seventh, answer will be option D, that is all first, second and third. Infinite regions of support, smooth interpolation and shift invariant. Eighth, zooming of an image can be viewed as. Answer A, oversampling. Question ninth, what kind of sampling is required for scaling down? Answer will be option A, undersampling. Question 10th, which of the following B-spline function has maximum region of the support? Answer will be option B, cubic. Thank you guys, we have completed all 10 questions of this assignment. Now we can submit our assignment. Thank you guys, and I hope